Not yet. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Kill him!
Alright guys, it's currently 3 a.m. and we are headed north. We're going to be doing a goose/duck hunt. Hopefully we get some ducks mixed in there, but mainly a goose hunt. So jumping the A-frames, and there's been a lot of birds piling in there lately, so we're going to get into some birds today. So stay tuned.
Ready? Caught him!
Oh, pulled to that one. Oh yeah.
Get ready, right side. Get ready, guys. Not yet. Not yet. Let him land. Let him land.
Actually, just flare them up. Don't shoot.
Not yet.
They're gonna flare it up.
Now! Yep. Got him! Got him!
Yeah, baby.
You see those two? Kill him! Woo! Did I? Not yet. Kill him! Woo! Rain out, boy. Yeah, hello.
Hey.
Three. Not yet, not yet. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Kill him!
It's so cold.